Welcome to my channel Kid Society. Let's start with structure of the human ear. Pinna. The coracle, or pinna, gathers sound waves and guides them into the ear canal, intensifying them towards the eardrum. Ear canal. The ear canal functions as an entryway for sound waves which get propelled towards the tympanic membrane, known as the eardrum. Eardrum. Its function is to transmit sound from the air to the ossicles inside the middle ear, and then to the oval window in the fluid-filled cochlea. Auditory ossicles. The auditory ossicles are three small bones in the middle ear that transmit air vibrations from the outer ear to the inner ear to be processed as sound. Auditory nerve. The auditory nerve is responsible for sending vibrations to the brain. The auditory nerve is by far not the only part of the ear that enables us to hear sounds. The cochlea. The cochlea is a hollow bone located in the inner ear. This is spiral in shape, which allows it to detect sounds low in frequency. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.